Good day everyone, I am Michelle and Teria, and for today I will be discussing about the two kinds of numbers, which are natural numbers and prime numbers. So as you can see, I have here an equation which is prove that if n is a natural number less than 41, then n squared minus n plus 41 is a prime number. So to solve this equation, we will first identify what is natural number and what is prime numbers. Natural numbers are all positive integers from 1 to infinity. They are also called counting numbers as they are used to count objects. So, natural numbers are all positive whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. While prime numbers is a natural number greater than 1 that is not a product of two smaller natural numbers. So, prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, and so on is or has only two factors like 2 is divisible by itself 2 and 2 is divisible by itself 2 is divisible by itself 2 and 2 is divisible by 1. Also the 5 is also divisible by itself and 5 is also divisible by 1 because if we divide 5 into 2, may butal, there's a decimal and that is not a whole number. So going back to our equation that prove that if n is a natural number less than 41, then n squared minus n plus 41 is a prime number. So we will list what are those natural numbers that is less than 41 o kung ano ang mas mababang o kung ano ang mga numbers na mas mababa sa 41. So, ang mga numbers na mababa sa 41 ay ang 1 to 40. So, let's assume that n is 5 or n is equivalent to 5. So, we will substitute 5 dito sa mga may n makikita nyo sa ating equation. So, magiging 5 squared minus 5 plus 41. So, first, we will solve what is the sum of 5 squared. So, 5 squared or 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So, 25 minus 5 plus 41. So, the next one, we will solve the 25 minus 5. So, 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. So, and bring down the 41. So, 20 plus 41 is equals to 61. Is 61 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number because 61 is divisible by itself and divisible by 1. Because if we divide 61 into 2, there will be a decimal point. Another example, let's assume now n is equals to 16. So, 16 squared minus 16 plus 41. So, let's solve again 16 squared or 16 times 16. So, 16 times 16 is equals to 256 and bring down the negative 16 plus 41. So, 256 minus 16 plus 41. Let's now solve 256 minus 16. So, 256 minus 16 is equals to 240. Then, bring down the positive 41. So, 240 plus 41 is equals to 281. Also, 281 is not divisible by 2. It is only divisible by itself and by 1. Therefore, n squared minus n plus 41 is a prime number. And that's all. Thank you for listening.